rugged, versatile, easy to use. The Toro full-size front tine tiller powers through all soil types, taking your garden to the next level. A heavy-duty hinged wheel and drag stake assembly provides unmatched stability and flexibility. In transport, the tail mount can be flipped underneath the engine to allow for tight turns and easy maneuvering. In the garden, flip the wheels out to lower the center of gravity and provide more balance and control while tilling. A powerful Briggs and Stratton 163cc 4-cycle engine delivers impressive torque to the solid steel tines, tilling up to 11 inches deep. By simply adding or removing tines, the tilling width can be easily adjusted from 11 inches up to 21 inches. With its compact frame and balanced weight distribution, the Toro Front Tine Tiller easily navigates tight spaces while dominating large open gardens. The airless wheels, robust forged tines, and all metal construction are all the marks of a tiller built to last.